Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 18. A balloon whose volume is 300 meters square is filled with hydrogen. If the density of air is 1.3 kilogram per meter cube, find the upthrust on the balloon. A. 3000 Newton, B. 3800 Newton, C. 3900 Newton, D. 4200 Newton. Acceleration due to gravity is given to us as 10 meters per second square. So upthrust, of course, is a force, and force is usually given as ma or mg, that is g being acceleration due to gravity, multiplied by the mass of whatsoever body the force is acting on. Now we are given the density, so basically the relationship between mass and density is what we'll be looking for in order to solve this question. Now density is given as mass over volume. So this means that if you make mass subject of the formula, the mass is equal to the density multiplied by the volume. So we can actually substitute this as m in this equation, F equals to mg. So F is equal to rho vg, that is the density multiplied by the volume multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity. So F, which is, remember, the F is the force, that is the upthrust, is given as the density 1.3 multiplied by volume, which is 300 multiplied by 10, which is acceleration due to gravity. So F is equal to 3900 Newton. 3900 Newton. Actually, if this is volume, this should be cube. Yeah. So 3900 Newton. 3900 Newton is option C, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.